I've learned I actually view my day now as 3, maybe 4 days. So, I make sure I sleep 8 hours, and I call that, a day. But the first part of my day when I wake up, ideally at 5. Lately with COVID, it's more by whenever it's time to get up, I get up. But generally by 5, my first day is all about me. So it's mental health, and that's meditation. It's doing some journaling, and that's when I look at my goals. It's getting a workout in for my health. And the other thing that I found that when I'm off, it's because I'm not exercising, or I'm not reading and learning. Those are the main things. So after my workout, I'll sit down and either listen to a YouTube video, or um, some other people's videos, just to learn a little bit, or I'll read an article, or listen to a podcast, or read a book. And so that's the end of day one in my day. And then day two is the priority work thing. So for me, working on me and my brand, Partners Mortgage, and building the company, like what inside of that, it's recruiting and coaching. And so I have priorities of business that I have to do regardless of, the day. And then my third day in the day, is more about, you know, putting out the fires, returning emails, returning calls. And that program I've been doing now for about a year and a half, 2 years, and it's worked best.